Kia ora, Sharon here again. We're up to the last of our 5 vowels, the letter U. So in Te Reo Māori this is U, A, E, I, O, U. If it had a macron it would be U. If it doesn't have a macron it's just U, a very short U. So we've got our first consonant here, the H, so that is hu. If that had a macron, it would be who, the word for shoe. With the K, it's ku. With the M, it's mu. With the N, it's nu. With the P, it's pu. With the R, it's ru. With the U, with the T, it's tu. With the W it's wu. And then we have this digraph here which is ng, the ng, ngu. And then the WH is fu. Hu, ku, mu, nu, pu, ru, tu, wu, ngu, fu. That's all the pronunciation of the vowels, and next time we'll put it all together. Ka kite.